On question number 4, we are selecting the winner using the pairwise comparison method. So we need to make the following 3 comparisons. So first up is A versus B. So the 12,000 voters in this first column prefer B over A. The 7,500 voters in the second column prefer A over B. And the 4,500 voters in the third column also prefer A over B. So they each have 12,000. So this is a tie between A and B. Next up is A versus C. So the first 12,000 prefer C over A. The next 7,500 prefer A over C. And then the last 4,500 prefer A over C. So they both have 12,000. So this also ends in a tie between A and C. Lastly, we have B versus C. So the first 12,000 prefer C over B. The second 7,500 prefer B over C. And the last 4,500 prefer C over B. So C is the winner of this matchup because C has more votes than B. So now it's time to tally the total points. So you get 1 point if you win a matchup, and you get half a point if you tie a matchup. So A got 2 ties and no wins. So that's 0.5 plus 0.5. So A got 1 total point. B got 1 tie and no wins. So that's just half a point. And then C got 1 tie and 1 win. So that's 0.5 plus 1, or 1.5 total points. So the winner is C, or Sierra.